So over here you can see that I got these blocks right here side by side. Press enter, I got another text block right here just like this, as you can see as well. If I were to go ahead and let's say for example click and drag this out over here on the top, you can see that I can just rearrange this out right here. So that is what you have right here, just like this. You can simply go ahead and click and drag this out. Apart from that, what you can also do is, let's say for example, click and drag the block right here and then move it out onto the side as well, just like this. And then you can see that I have it arrange it column wise right here. Similarly, simply go ahead and let's say for example click and drag it out right here, and this is what you have. Click and drag it out over here on the top, and this is what you have right there as well. And that is how you can simply go ahead and rearrange out the blocks as you like right here. You can click right here and then you can see that I have an option to move the blocks right here to other pages as well. Let's say for example sample 2, and then it simply goes ahead and moves that block to that particular page as well, just like this as well. So you can go ahead and click over here and move it out to, let's say for example, the main notes area, and then this is what you have right here, just like this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and then rearrange out the blocks inside of Notion. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.